I just got done editing your video. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I made this just for you. Okay, so please watch this all the way through. The reason why you're watching this video right now, and you're probably on this page, is at one point you and I worked together. Okay, so get every last detail. Something very special is about to happen, and you need to have all the information. I can't wait for you to see it, and I can't wait to work with you again. Hey, my friend Daniel here. I wanted to talk to you directly about what's going on, why you're receiving this video, and what is about to happen. So please just do yourself a favor and watch this video all the way through, okay? If you're getting this video, you were on my team at some point, most likely in SHG. And who knows, maybe if you got this video somehow got shared with you or some way and you're not on my team, you can still watch this. But I want to talk to you, the person that has been with me before on one of my teams. You know that what we do is pretty unique and it's pretty special and it's getting even better. But first, before I talk about that and why the timing right now for you watching this video is critically important, I want to share a little story because we've probably never had the chance to talk about this one-on-one. So I want to share a little story and just give you the full honest truth about what happened to the funnel team and also what happened to the funnel team with SHG at the end of 2023. So unfortunately, we went through something that was completely beyond our control, and SHG lost their servers, meaning we had over 4,000 members on our team, 4,000 people that were paying the monthly membership. And that's 4,000 people that we were getting paid on, that you, if you had a team with SHG, were getting paid on. And when their server crashed, all of that credit card data was gone. Literally, all the data just went away. So we literally went from overnight having 4,000 people on our team to having zero. So we had been with SHG for about 3 years, just, in the trenches every single day, working with you guys, creating systems, our app, our funnels, our team training site, our Facebook group, all of that stuff just, basically eliminated in the course of an evening, and it just all went away. And, as we went through after that crash happened, we tried to get the truth, the understanding of what was actually happening, what was going to happen next, and just too much time went by, and we had all of these people on our team, many of them making a full-time income, some of them making multiple five figures per month. One of the members on our team had a $60,000 month, absolutely incredible income. And again, to have all of that just go away, it was heart-wrenching and it hurt us a lot. It hurt us in many ways, not just that we had letting our team down, but we just, all that income was now gone. So we ended up shifting gears. We shifted away from SHG and we got into another company, and it was a higher ticket company. And what that forced us to do is completely change the way that we market, completely adapt to something new. And in doing so, it actually really helped us out quite a bit, because even though the business didn't take off the way that we really hoped and wanted it to, what we were able to do is learn how to market better. So I want you to have an understanding of that. And that's what leads us to today, where we are right now, you watching this video. We made a decision over the summertime to go back to low ticket business opportunities tied into our funnel team system, because when we were with SHG, as you know, we did incredibly well. A team of 4,000 people, multiple people making multiple five figures per month, and just average everyday people were winning and making sales. And that's what it was all about. So we made a decision as a team to go back to a low ticket opportunity. So what you're going to see down below this video is two buttons, two links. If you obviously know me, you know us, you know what we do. It is working extremely well right now since we switched back to low ticket. There are three different options to join: $20, $40, or $100. And when you click the first button down below, you can go straight to that sign up page, pick your spot, get in on the inside, and get rolling with us. Now, what I want to make sure that you know and understand, and that's why you need to get all the facts and data from this video, we are bringing in massive amounts of people every single week. We're talking hundreds of new members every single week, because we are now back to massive duplication. But for you watching this video right now, your timing is critical, okay? because what most people don't know, and this is going to come out eventually, but you're going to hear this before everybody else, okay? Plain and simple, our funnels are converting again. Our system is working incredible. We redid all of the training inside of our system, and it's now just down to a science, man. We just have it down to a T, and it just makes it easy for the average everyday person to get results. We have people that have gotten sales within 24 hours of getting started, 48 hours of getting started, or even a couple of weeks of getting started. Plain and simple, this works, and it works really, really well. So here's what's very important that you need to know right now. Why am I sending you this video? Why are you watching this right now? Why is this important to be paying attention right now? Well, plain and simple, you are a part of something that worked very, very well. You are a part of something good, and it's even better right now. And it's about to get incredible, okay? Because what most people don't know, when you click the button down below, if you lock in a position, our company right now is in the USA only. And we're still bringing in over 300 people per week, which is crazy. Once we go global, and we are working on going global, we are very close to going global. This is going to explode in ways that I can't even imagine. All I can tell you is positioning and timing right now is very, very important. You have the opportunity right now to lock in before the global expansion. And if you know anything about positioning and timing, the early movers always win the biggest. So you have to ask yourself, you got started at one point. Maybe you got the results you want. Maybe you didn't. But you have the opportunity right now to do it better, to do it with something that is growing incredibly fast right now and something that is on the verge of explosion. So you have the opportunity to get in on the inside and be part of this. Be part of the funnel team again. Be part of something that is truly cranking right now. And you could be in it to win it with us. Or you could sit there on the outside, looking in, debating, doubting, pondering, wishing, hoping, praying. Maybe things will get better. Maybe you'll figure out a way to make more money. Or you could get in on the inside, because action cures fear, my friend. And I can promise you this, you are on the verge of something truly special. When this does go global, our team is going to 5x, 10x, 20x in size, and the amount of people that we are bringing in is going to explode. You could be part of that. We have multiple different sales rotators that you could be part of. You could have one position in the sales rotator, you could have 5, or you can even have up to 10 position in the sales rotator, depending on which level you join at. And again, first button down below. Now, for whatever reason, if you're still hesitant and you're not ready to just go ahead and sign up, that's the first button. There's another button down there where I show you the full overview of our team system. You can walk all the way through it. You can see it. I'll spell it all out for you. So if you do need to go and get a full presentation, you can click that second button down below and see it if it's a fit for you. But I can promise you this, we are helping more and more and more new members get started every single week, and they are seeing results faster than ever right now. So you got this video for a reason, my friend. You were with me at one point. It's time you get with me again, and time you get this and get this going for good, because this is incredible and you deserve to experience some of this. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you have any questions at all, I left my phone number right on this page right here that you guys are watching right now. It might even also be at the top of this video. Please reach out and ask me anything. Get on the inside, my friend. It's much better in here than it is to be out there debating, doubting, wondering. Are you going to sit back and let everybody else be successful, or are you going to taste some of that yourself? I look forward to working with you. And as soon as you're on the inside, as soon as you get locked in, you're going to get an email direct from me. It's going to say Daniel. That's who it's going to be from. And it will say our business and funnel team right in the subject line. Look for that email. Open it up. You'll get instant access to our new and improved team training site, our app, our sales funnels, and everything that you need to start winning as soon as today. I look forward to working with you again, my friend. Thank you for watching.